Facing the threats of air pollution and resource scarcity, more and more companies have introduced an environmentally friendly concept. To set a perfect example of a green factory, Jinli Plastic built its own green factory with a total area of 50,000 square meters. By using natural organic building materials with low volatility and less chemical synthetic materials, Jinli tried its best to reduce the negative impact on human bodies, achieve energy-saving goals during construction, decrease the waste of resources, and lessen the discharge of CO2. The photovoltaic system that we built is able to generate 380 kilowatts of electricity each day, supplying electricity to offices and dormitories. We're using the sunshine well to increase the indoor lighting. Through the skylight, the sunlight can provide natural lighting for indoor rooms. Around the factories, windows play the role of sunlight provider. Each building decreased 18 to 27% of power consumption. In this way, the discharge of CO2 is reduced by approximately 2,450 tons per year. Fans were built on the factory roofs, decreasing the indoor temperature from 40 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. The cooling water used during production is also recycled, filtered, and reused. The limited water volume of 12 liters that the employees are allowed to use each day, and the recycled rainwater will be utilized to water plants and flush toilets after the water precipitates, which has saved 42.63% of water used in the entire factory. Jinli Group is keeping its original goal of energy saving and environmental protection, hoping to promote green environmental protection via green factories in order to contribute to society, achieve corporate social responsibilities, and thereby creating further value.